Okay, hello people. Now I'm going to show you all the equipment that we have been using throughout our project. First, come with me. Yeah, this is the solar panel that we got from the beginning. It's too small for our to test in the real scenario. So for that reason, we were using this power source of our power supply. Okay, this is just a lab power box. Okay, then this is the super caps. We're using a bank of 16 super caps. Each super caps is 3000 farads. Each super cap is like 2.7 volts, so it means that whole the bank is like around 21 volts. Okay, then we were using this router. This is a Bifrost router. The name is Alex Bohr. It's a wireless router that is consuming around 4.5 watts. So we were using this router to test our PCB and our solution. Okay, this is our PCB. First, this is the last design that we got after some reviews. The first design was this one. This one was from Min3. We actually improved the size of the PCB. Besides all the new functionalities that we add to the design, we improve the size and also the design. Okay, you can come with me here. This is the PCB with all the components. I want to show you all the parts that this PCB has, starting from this section, this box here. This is the supercaps balancer. This circuit here are regulating the voltage in the supercaps in order to have the same voltages in each supercaps. This is important because otherwise the supercaps can be damaged. Okay, then we have here, this is the regulators. We have here 5 volts regulator and 3.3 regulators. Then here we have okay, we have 2 sensors. These are Hall sensors that they are just measuring the current that is coming from the power source and also the current that is going to the load, in this case the Alex Bohr. Okay, here we have the switch that we're using to turn on and off the boost converter. We add this switch because we needed to we needed to turn on and off the boost in order to avoid some short circuits that were happening before at this switch. If you want more details, you can go to our documentation about buck and boost converters. Okay, here also you can find you can see the boost converter, and just here this is our buck converter circuits. Here, you can see our microcontroller. This is a LPC 1768 microcontroller, and it's used to control all the power system. Here you can see all the jumpers that we add. This is a good features that we actually add to the PCB, because with these jumpers, all these jumpers, if you want, okay, all these jumpers, you can do some things. First, you have the possibility to check the ADC signals. Also, you can check the signal from the temperature sensors. This is just for test purpose, but we thought that was a good thing to add to the PCB. Also, you have the jumpers for the serial connection to the router. You have the GPIO. You have the GPIO connection where you can see the signal. Also, you can check the PWM for the buck and boost converters, and also you have 2 jumpers, one for the 5 volts and another for the 3.3 volts in the case that you need it. Also here you have the analog temperature sensor. And just next to this sensor, you have the digital one. For the digital one, you can find there are three jumpers where you connect the digital temperature sensor directly to that place. Okay, here in this in these connectors is where you have to connect all the cables coming from the supercaps and also coming from the power source and the load, the Alex board or any other router. I will show you here first. We add here you have to you can connect yeah, the cables coming from the supercaps. Be sure that you connect these cables in the correct order because you don't want to make any short circuit. For that reason, we put in the PCB. You can see exactly all the we label all the points where you have to connect the cables, so you cannot, so in order to make you easier connect these cables. Then you also have here, this is the cables that are coming from the front. If you want, just zoom here. Yeah, this is the cable that is going to the Alex board. Here I will show you how. I just connect here to the Alex board, and then we just turn on the Alex board in a simple way. So and this connection is going here, and we also label this this connector as a load and ground. And finally, you can find the connector that where you can connect the solar panel or any other power source that you have available. Well, this is more or less our equipment, and I think in this way it's easier for you to see and understand